Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford F150 emblems. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a heat gun or a hair dryer, some strong fishing line or dental floss, and a non-marring plastic pry tool. Also, prepare an automotive-grade adhesive remover, several clean microfiber towels, and car wash soap. Safety is key, so remember to wear protective gloves throughout the removal process. Now, let's begin by softening the emblem's adhesive. Use your heat gun or hair dryer on a low setting, warming the emblem evenly for about 1 to 2 minutes. The goal is to make the adhesive pliable, not to melt anything. Next, take a piece of fishing line, approximately 2 feet long, and carefully slide it behind the emblem. Use a gentle sawing motion to cut through the softened adhesive, working from one side to the other. Once the emblem is off, you will likely find some sticky adhesive residue remaining on your truck's paint. Apply a generous amount of automotive adhesive remover directly onto this residue. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, allowing the solution to penetrate and break down the glue. Then, using a clean microfiber towel, gently rub the area in small circles. For stubborn spots, a plastic scraper can help, but always use light pressure. With all the adhesive gone, the final steps involve cleaning and protecting your vehicle's paint. Wash the entire area where the emblem was located with car soap and water, ensuring all adhesive remover is completely rinsed away. Dry the surface with a clean microfiber towel. Finally, apply a high-quality car wax or paint sealant to the newly exposed paint. This will protect it from the elements and help maintain a uniform finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.